Okay, so for downgrades, of course, everybody wants the white fillings in the back, especially because the front insurance will cover for the most part. Your posteriors, nobody wants metal in their mouth anymore. As a matter of fact, some of you are trying to remove your amalgamating metal fillings, which not all doctors will recommend either. But what's confusing you guys is what a downgrade is. So what a downgrade is what the insurance will pay on. So just because I'm using a certain code doesn't mean that the insurance company is going to pay on that. And that, I think, is a little confusing. So let's say you guys are coming in for a 4-surface white filling. That's D20, hello, 2394. Those fees that I showed you guys this morning, this is where I would reference that schedule from. So let's say $23.94, my fee with that said insurance company is $185. But you have downgrades. Now, you guys as patients don't really know this, but people who work in the dental field, obviously we know our codes. We know that that's going to downgrade to D. This is the metal filling, $21.61. And that's going to drop down to, let's say, $78. Okay? Now it's the beginning of the year. Remember what I told you guys, new copays, new deductibles, everything restarted if it's a calendar year plan. You guys are covered at 80%, sure. But you also still have that individual deductible of $50. So you have to meet that first. All that. So we got to subtract 50 from 78. My ghetto board is definitely moving. And because I invented the calculator, I'm not even going to put into question that you guys know, yes, I'm subtracting the easiest math. That is going to be 28. So insurance company, right now, right, that's the number that we're working with. We have to times that by 80%. Yeah, back to the calculator I go. 2240. That's what the insurance company is paying. 185 minus 2240. And I'm not doing that either. And God bless you that have that in your head. That's 162.60. And I know you guys are like, oh, well, what's the point of my insurance? Like, why is it so high? Your deductible is met for the year. That's first and foremost. Secondly, you didn't need a root canal. Third, it's unfortunate, but this is common. This is what downgrades are. It's what your insurance company, whether you have 80% or even 100%, you have 100% on a downgrade. That means you would pay a small difference between the 185 and the 78. It's super easy. Again, unless you had a deductible that you had to meet. All the numbers change. But this is the old school way of calculating copays. If you guys want me to do like a crown or something like that, I can, but I become really reliant on Maya. And as you can see, why? I hope you understood all that. Like, oh my God, I know. Why is insurance paying on this? Why do I pay for this? I know it's all really confusing. If you have questions, you can ask. As you can see, I answer.